Bob Neal is the owner of Neal Texaco Gas Town. Bob would like to estimate the mean number of gallons of gasoline sold to his customers. Assume the number of gallons sold follow the normal distribution with a standard deviation of 2.1 gallons. From his records, he selects a random sample of 55 sales and find the mean number of gallons sold is 8.97. Round your CS code and final answer to decimal places.
Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to extract our given variables. So our mean is 8.97. And our standard deviation is 2.1. Our sample size is 57. And our Z-score for 95% confidence is 1.96. So from these variables, we understand that we'll be using the confidence interval for mu when the standard deviation is known. So that formula is going to be the mean plus or minus Z multiplied by the standard deviation over the square root of the sample.
Once you figured out what formula you're going to use and you've solved for all the variables, at this point you're going to just plug in the numbers and solve for your two confidence intervals. Yeah. We're going to take our population mean. Insert our Z-score and multiply that by the standard deviation, which is 2.1, and divide it by the sample size, which is 57. I'm going to solve for the 8.97 plus 1.96 times 2.1 divided by the square root of 57 first.
But this thing actually sort of falls in between. So 2.57, halfway between 2.57 and 2.58 is the halfway mark is 2.575.
So the first part of the solution to the confidence interval is going to be 9.52. And now I'm going to solve for the 8.97 minus 1.96 times 2.1 divided by the square root of 57.
Doing the 2.575, doing it like we just did, is going to be more accurate than the 2.58. I'm sure there's a formula out there somewhere.
At this point, our confidence interval for 95% of the population mean is going to be 8.42 to 9.52.
26.